Hello, my name is Johnson, and I'd like to tell you about Carrotsuite. So I just want to give you a demo of Carrotsuite. So Carrotsuite is an automated real estate management software that helps you to completely digitize and automate your real estate business. You can manage different departments of your real estate company from this same platform. It performs work automated functions, for example, like sending out automated birthday messages to your clients, sends out auto payment reminders to clients with partially paid invoices. It automatically adds default penalty fees to default invoices. It sends automated payment acknowledgement receipts via SMS and email to clients who once you record their payments. So also it sends out daily automated business summary reports containing summaries of the previous day, like your total expenses for the previous day, your total sales for the previous day, your total number of customers, total new customers you had the previous day. So all these things happen automatically. And the purpose of Carol Suite is so that you can grow your business without having to grow the number of staffs you have. So you can restrict access to different staffs based on their work in the office. For example, you can restrict your customer services person to just the CRM section. You can restrict your accounting person to the accounting section. You can restrict your HR person to just the HR section, and furthermore like that. So with Carol Suite, you are able to have an holistic view of your business from the same platform. Instead of you switching between multiple softwares, maybe you have a CRM software here, you have an accounting software like Sage on the other side, you have an HR software. You can do the whole thing from one platform, which saves you cost and also helps you prevent confusion due to jumping from one software to the other. So other things you can do with this is it helps you to record your expenses, to get your expense report, see your accounting report, manage and assign tax, run your payroll, manage your vendors, and much more. So I just want to give you a quick demo. So Carol Suite can be used for managing multiple kinds of businesses like real estate, construction, retail, but I'm going to give you the demo for managing a property business or a real estate business here. So let's say this is where you come to add your properties. When you come to Carol Suite, you can add properties for sale or properties for rent. You can add properties that you're selling in installments, or you can add properties you're selling in outright format. So, like there are instances where you have payment plans for your properties you're selling in installments, like okay, 3 months payment plan, 5 months payment plan, 12 months payment plan. On Carol Suite, uh, you can easily manipulate these things, and you can customize your different payment plans. Even when your prices change, you can still come and edit it. So you can view your properties, you can allocate properties. Let's say you finish selling a plot of land inside a number of serviced plots. You can come here and allocate that specific plot of land. So you can also see your tenants, those ones who are occupying your rental properties, and send out messages to them. So we have the CRM section. Under the CRM, it shows you all your clients paying for all your properties. So on this CRM section, you're able to filter clients by their payment status. Let's say you want to see those who are still making payments in all properties. You just select ongoing from here, then click on search. It will shortlist them. These ones are still making payment. You want to see those who have defaulted. Default customers are those who did not meet up with their payment expected timelines. So if you search, you see those who have defaulted across all properties. If I want to limit it to a particular estate, then I'll search. I want to see default customers in this estate. So it shortlist them for me. If I want to see those who have finished payment in this particular estate, I'll search. It will shortlist it for me. So with Carol Suite, you are able to manage your customers based on their payment status, based on the properties they're buying, and you're able to reach out to them, send them SMS, for instance. For example, I can tick this button and send SMS to everybody here. So it brings up this box, I fill in the details and then send it. or send email as the case may be. So let's say you want to view a particular client. So here it's going to show you the full details of this. So here now I can view the payment statement of this client to see, okay, how much he has paid, in what format he paid it. For instance, he's paying for Wisdom Estate here, plot 400 square meters, and this is the number of times he has made payment, different payment methods, the transaction IDs, and the balances after each payment. So you can get this from Carrotsuite. You can also from here view his receipt, or from here view his invoice by clicking here. So if we go back, uh, so here you can also upload his documents, more like soft copies of the document, maybe contract of sales, deed of assignment, document you issue to the client. You can just scan them and keep a soft copy online, so you can access it from anywhere you are and at any time. You can also write notes about this client. So if we go further, every day, like I said initially, it sends out automated birthday messages to your clients every single day. It just shortlists all of them who are celebrating their birthdays and sends them birthday messages. You can even configure Carrotsuite to send notifications to specific staff members when certain clients with a specific total transaction value are celebrating their birthdays. For instance, okay, send message to Mr. Femi, send a notification to Mr. Femi when clients with greater than 1 million naira or 1 million or $100,000 worth of transactions are celebrating their birthdays. So you can configure Carrotsuite to do all that for you. So under Carrotsuite, you have the accounting section. Here you can play with your chart. Here you can play with your chart of accounts. Here also you can see your general ledger, make your journal postings, even see your accounting reports. Like it's a full-fledged accounting system. So with this, you don't need Sage or any other accounting software. This is a pure accounting software. So this is your general ledger. You can see all transactions and you can filter by any date, by any specific account, etc. Then you can get your trial balance, your financial position, your balance sheet, your income statement, your sales report, and others from this same platform. Then record expenses and get your expense reports. So here also you are able to create invoices. And the beautiful thing about Carrotsuite is that you don't need to be a professional, an accounting professional before you are able to use Carrotsuite. All you need to have is just basic computer knowledge. It is very easy to navigate. So to create an invoice, you just come here, very straight to the point, select the client, or you add a new client. So something I forgot to mention, let's say somebody wants to buy your property and is not in your current vicinity. You can easily copy a link from the CRM form. Let's say client, you can easily copy a link from here and send to him. When he clicks on the link, he will see your sales form. As soon as he fills it, you get an automated notification. Somebody just filled your sales form. So for example, this is the client information page. This is where you, what we call KYC, where you fill when a client wants to buy property from you. But if the client is not in the vicinity, you can just come up here, copy this link, and send to the client. Once he clicks on it, he will see this same form. So you can also customize this form to add other details or other fields you would like to know about from the client. If it's not here already, you can add extra fields to it. So back to our creating invoices. So when you want to create invoice, it's very simple. And you don't need to be a professional accountant to be able to do that. So right here also, when you're creating an invoice, you must have specified your commission structure. Let's say you have a direct commission plan whereby someone makes sales, you get a percentage of your commission or a fixed amount. You can have specified that. But if you can also, the commission structure is flexible. Let's say right here you're creating an invoice, you can select a different commission structure. Like choose from commission structure, you select the ones you've created, or enter custom commission. You enter an amount. So it's just like that. So here you select the item and then you submit. So let's look at invoices. So on this invoices page, you can see all the invoices that have been created on this system, and you can sort between timelines so that you can export and then get your report of sales for the season. Then one thing of note here is this financial plan menu, under which we call payment schedule. This payment schedule enables you to see the expected payment of all your clients on a monthly basis. Let's say you're selling a property for 1 million and the client is supposed to pay 100,000 every month. So every time you come here beginning of the month, you're going to see expected payment 100,000 for that client. Let's say you didn't make payment last month, you're going to see expected payment for this month will be 200,000. So you have someone calling up the client, hello, sir, we've not seen your payment. We're expecting a payment of 200,000 from you. And down here, you can see the total payment you're expecting for the month. So it just helps you to be able to forecast and plan your budget, total payment you're expecting for the month. And then when they make the payment and you record it, it shows under amount paid. So at the end of the month, you can see total payment you're expecting and total payment you received from the clients that were supposed to pay you on a monthly basis. So you can handle procurement with this, purchase orders, bills, recurring bills, account payables, your construction materials. So if you go further down, you have your HR section. So under the HR section, you can see a list of all your staff. So this place shows a list of all your staff. I can view any staff. Let's say you want to assign missions to him or a staff role. I can come to staff role and restrict him to modules I want him to see. Then under HR2, you still have the payroll section. Here you can run your payroll, your monthly payroll for your staff. And in running it, you're able to also factor in their taxes, their allowances, their deductions. And then you still have tax here, TASK. So here you're able to assign tax to your staff, and they can assign tax to each other so that they can see, they can know, so they can know one way to measure their productivity. So here you're able to see all the tasks that have been assigned and their priorities. And once they are done, they send notifications to the next party who is in the tax workflow. So when it sends both SMS and email reminders. So under this marketer section, you are able to list all your marketers, to add all your marketers. And then if you run a multi-level marketing system, you're able to create marketers who can bring in other marketers as their downlines. And when the downlines make sales, the upline marketers also get commissions from those sales. So this is Carrotsuite, and the settings section where you're able to customize several things. You can create custom forms from here and create links for them so that you can capture information from either staffs or clients. You can also add custom fields to multiple forms on this platform. So also you can configure Carrotsuite to receive online payments from your customers and many other things you can do with Carrotsuite. So I'd like you to sign up and start using Carrotsuite. And we'll come to help you do training and setup, after which Carrotsuite is all yours to use. So if you have any further questions, you have any further concerns, you have things you will need better explanations on, I'd appreciate if you could just give us a call or reach us via email. Thank you very much.